Hey there, today I'm going to show you 24 travel essentials for packing during the winter in a carry-on suitcase. The number one travel essential that I love for winter travel is a hat. Let me know if you call it a sock hat or a beanie. I usually travel with the creamy white one because it does not have a lining in it. It's just easier for me. And that creamy white color is a fantastic color if you're going to a Christmas market and you want to pop against the nighttime Christmas lights. But another one that they also have with the same link is a fleece lined, and it's like a thin fleece. It's so luxurious feeling. And if you want to use it as a little gift idea, it does have a removable poof. I thought that was really cute. I took this one to my trip to Canada. Another essential in the winter to pack in a carry-on bag or in your personal item bag, running from the bus stop into the airport, you're going to pack the little gloves that can easily work on your cell phone. They're called hybrid gloves, and take the tip from me. If you do not use mine, be sure to test them before you go. It's so fast. It's like having monster wide, big fingers, and it just works on your phone like you did not have any gloves on at all. A year-round travel essential for me is now a silk pillowcase. I have traveled with them for probably 3 years, and that's why Lily Silk is sponsoring this video again. Some of these essentials are going to be sponsored from them. A 100% silk pillowcase is what I travel with for 3 reasons. Number one, it reduces friction. So there are no frizzies when you wake up in the morning on vacation. Number two, the main reason that I will always travel with this from now on is that it does not give any wrinkles on your face, your neck. I don't know what it is about what they wash hotel pillowcases in or sheets in. The wrinkles are so deep. So I've been traveling with that. Take it from me. One thing that I learned this year, because 2-3 years ago, I forgot my pillowcase that was light yellow, because it just didn't stand out. Then last year I have these bright teal ones. Well, I have one on my bed that I sleep with daily, and then one that I take for travel. And I have forgotten it so many times. And my husband this summer is like, don't forget your pillowcase, because I see that color all the time. It's easy to forget that if you travel with it. So, and this is a great gift idea as well, use my light purple color or whatever pillowcase you want and have it monogrammed. Lily Silk monograms it for you to say whatever you want it to say. It is customizable. It's absolutely beautiful. And that is my pillowcase that I will travel with. The third reason is that 100% silk regulates your body temperature. So as you age, like if you are warm at night and if you have thin hair, it does not make your hair matted or make a bald spot in your hair where you've been laying in the bed on vacation, sleeping late. And there is a 15% off code that I will put in this barcode for you, and I will have it in the first comment for you. The code is travel15 if you open that barcode or just click on the links that I have for you as well. 100% silk pajamas are a great lightweight travel essential. It's easy to pack them in your carry-on bags, but they also regulate my body heat so I do not sweat. Winter travel means dry air on your skin in 3 specific places for now. Number 1, your nose. Number 2, your eyes. And number 3, your lips. When I was in Breckenridge this fall, I had a massage and they gave me this whole entire list of things that they used. I came home and bought this lip stuff. It's like super moisturizing, and it's like a different consistency from Vaseline. It smells like candy almost. It's so wonderful, but don't forget that. And then another essential to pack during the winter would be your eye drops for the airplane, as well as really cold, dry air. For some reason, when I'm in Colorado, I don't know if it's something that's growing or the leaves dying in the late fall or winter, it dries out my eyes like crazy. It could be the heater that they use in that beautiful lodge. My favorite eye drops are Sustain preservative free individual vials. So each vial will last you about 48 hours. So that's morning, night, and then maybe the third morning. So I usually pack about 2 vials. And when I had LASIK, like 15 years ago, he suggested that I use that. And then my eye doctor also here in Houston was very happy that I use it. And another thing to pack would be Vaseline, but take the tip from me, you only need a tiny bit, because you're going to put a little bit on the end of a cotton swab. And I don't mean stick it up your nose, but to help with a runny nose and for it not drying out so you have a nosebleed, which my husband gets every time he's in Colorado. You're going to put that Q-tip of Vaseline and you're just wiping it inside, right in the inner part of your nose. And this is a fantastic wand. I'm just kidding. This is what I would use to decant my like makeup remover balm if I'm putting it in a container like that. But you just need like a tiny, like a fingernail amount of Vaseline per trip. I've had this for years. It's probably molding by now. But also do not forget to pack sunscreen. This is my favorite because there is absolutely no smell. It looks like Vaseline, but it's not greasy at all. It's a little thinner, but it is kind of expensive. Okay, when you're packing travel outfits, it must do 4 things in the wintertime, okay? You must pack a fabric that is effective in keeping you warm. It's going to retain your body heat by itself. Number 2, you want it to be versatile so that it can be worn another day during your vacation. And a lot of my viewers over the last few months have said that they sweat a lot when they travel. My travel hack is to pack a thin t-shirt that you would wear under any sweater that you pack for vacation during the wintertime. It would also, if you get warm, it will allow you to take off that outer layer and be cooled off, but it also will help absorb that sweat while you're traveling and keep that outer layer cleaner. Number 3, you want that travel outfit piece to be thin enough for packing in a carry-on suitcase still. And number 4, you want quality over quantity. The myth is that thicker, especially in the South, if we just throw on a few sweatshirts, we're going to be warmer. Sweatpants, that's what a lot of the Texans wear, and people from Georgia like myself wear when we go skiing. But thicker does not mean warmer. I got to choose this absolutely beautiful gray wool and cashmere sweater with the braided collar. I think it is so feminine, but yet my travel style and everyday style is a casual chic. Because it is merino wool, it is so soft against your skin. I can wear this sweater all day touring with some sneakers that I have, and then at night I can put on a nice pair of boots and feel like I'm appropriately dressed for a restaurant. The benefits of packing a sweater with this fabric is that 1, it is breathable while retaining heat, and number 2, it is lightweight to pack and wear. I'm not bulking up and barely being able to walk down the streets of London. I can even wear it with this 100% silk scarf and have a totally different look. And you'll notice that on the sleeve, there's this light cable knit pattern, which I just think is so feminine, but it is warm enough and thick enough fabrics to stand up to the winters in Mongolia, because that's where the wool is hand-picked and it's eco-friendly dyed, if that matters to you. Another myth is that it is harder to pack in a carry-on suitcase during the winter because you have thicker items of clothing. If you pack efficient fabric tops, you take up less space while staying warm. I am a pilot wife and I have packed for winters in a carry-on suitcase for over 20 years, so take it from me. For jewelry during the winter, I would just suggest packing or wearing as your airport outfit a set of bauble pearls. Pearls can be worn with any color of fabric and any texture of fabric, in my opinion. So that makes it versatile, but you only packed 1 item. All right, look at this hoodie that I'm wearing over a gingham shirt. I just think that is so cute, and the best thing yet is that I'm wearing pull-on denim. After walking around all day, I can just switch my sneakers to a boot and be appropriately dressed for a restaurant if those sneakers are absolutely not fit for a restaurant that we happen to be going to every night. Remember that you're not going to be dining at fine dining restaurants every night on your vacation. This sweater is made from 90% wool and 10% cashmere. It's so soft, even with that much wool. When you are packing your crossbody bag, the straps are key because there are so many obsessed women over crossbody straps these days because they can match with different outfits. They're easy to pack for the winter and they're a great gift idea. One travel tip, especially during the winter, is to be quick when you try to get something out of your crossbody bag to help prevent from theft. A scarf that is thin but still retains your body heat and levels out your body temperatures is a great essential, especially in the winter. I can pair it over my long sleeve basic t-shirt from Talbot's that I have like 7 versions of. I have the sleeveless versions, the short sleeve, and I have 2 of these long sleeve. They drape a woman's body beautifully and can be worn by themselves with the silk scarf or with a top layer during the winter. I also think it's super cute to wear a scarf in your hair for a completely different vacation look. I'm going to link a video with some creative ways that you can tie a scarf, like a neck scarf, differently around your neck. A travel hack is to tie that scarf around the little notch in your crossbody bag. Waterproof shoes can be needed for 3 reasons. Number 1, waterproof and support or comfort. Number 2, waterproof shoes for hiking. Or number 3, waterproof and a rugged sole. Now, it depends on what excursions you're doing and what the weather is going to be forecasted for your vacation area. So check that before you even make your packing list. I love the Echo brand. These are completely waterproof, and look at that sole. I've traveled with them several times already. If you need a dressier boot, this is not waterproof, but it also has that sneaker sole by the same company. This is a Canadian brand, Blondo, and it also comes in black if black is more suitable for your travel outfits. These are more comfortable than the version of them last year, so I wear these a lot. And they have a very rugged sole, but I would not tour all day in them. And these sneakers are water repellent. I've had these for years. They don't make this color anymore, but they do make the same shoe. And then I bought these in this summer, and they are absolutely so supportive. They're not water resistant, but I think they're so beautiful. And I have only worn these with white denim, but I just think they're so gorgeous. They're so comfortable. I mean, there's so much padding. Oh, love them. Another essential I recommend is to pack a vitamin C serum for your face, your neck, and even the tops of your hands and your forearms. The reason I used it in Breckenridge way back in January is because when you put lotion on top of it, your skin just feels so supple. And the only lotion that I travel with is Gold Bond for diabetics. For some reason, it is super thick, like it does not even budge in my really tiny containers for liquids. And there's no smell, and I just love it. Okay, I need to tell you about this 100% silk eye mask. It helps protect the skin. I mean, that is like some of the most sensitive skin underneath your eyes. So if you have a long flight or if you have a family member you want to get a gift for a long flight, that is a great idea. And they have different colors too. I also have a light blue one, but I want to draw your attention to the straps. It's like this velvety, it is such a soft fabric for the strap that goes behind your head. Okay, I've got to show you this blue blouse. I love a bright blue. For some reason, I don't know if that's more flattering on my skin tone or whatever, but look at the buttons. I think this elevates an outfit to the nth degree. It is absolutely stunning. And I love it with colored denim, especially white denim. I just love blue and white too. But it is tough, like it is rugged tough. You do not want to invest in travel outfit pieces or outfits that you're only going to wear at home or for a gift for a family member if they cannot wear it because they've got to tiptoe on eggshells and hardly ever wear it. It's 100% silk, so it regulates my body temperatures and it retains my heat. You can wear a camisole underneath it. I can wear a cardigan over it and look casual for a vacation style or around town here. I have also flown with their t-shirt that is 100% silk, but I did wear a tank top underneath it because I thought I might get hot on the airplane, which I did not. One other thing that I think is so funny is that this gray wool and cashmere sweater is considered a sweatshirt on their website. It is just so nice though to me. I've been wearing the Lily Silk brand for years and the size large fits me perfectly. I'm 5'8" and a size 10-ish. I am going to pack this since I'm going to be in a high touristy area for the Christmas market. It is an RFID blocking technology crossbody bag, and people have asked me what that means. It means that if a criminal has that stealing technology that can take information from your credit cards, if they have that chip in them or something like that, it blocks it. But the reason I travel with this is they are slash resistant straps, which a lot of the anti-theft bags do not have this. So be sure to look for that feature. It's going to slow down the criminal, which may mean you do not get pickpocketed. You may find it easier to wear a stretchy band like I do to walk my dog. It's got 3 pockets, 2 long ones that are like envelope style, and you can pack your passports in there if you really want to. It has a small zippered pocket as well. A lot of my viewers choose to wear that inside the airplane. But one tip is you cannot wear that through airport security. I pack in compression cubes for every trip, but a winter packing tip is to separate the thicker items so that your cubes will be more balanced. I have my silk blouse and the t-shirt and silk pajamas in one cube with this sweater or sweatshirt that the website says. And the second zipper is what compresses my travel outfits. So I'm gonna pack my hoodie with my long sleeve tee and a silk scarf and whatever else you think fits in your corners, okay? A key packing tip is do not overstuff the cubes or you'll not really reap the benefits for carry-on bag travel. I would pack undies in a small cube with maybe a pair of leggings if you need that or a pair of exercise shorts. One tip for carry-on is to drape colored denim or a bulky sweater over everything once I fit all my cubes in the luggage. Another travel essential is a winter jacket. This one is fantastic because of the backpack straps. So if you get hot on a stagnant airflow metro train, you can take it off and wear it over your shoulder. You can also wear it over a backpack if you are wearing a backpack on your back. The straps are that long. I know on Etsy you can buy like these straps that you sew into your jacket or something like that if that interests you. One travel hack for winter jackets is when you're going through the airport, you're going to pack a trash bag in your pocket, okay? And then when you get in the airplane, you're going to stuff your winter jacket in that grocery bag and then toss that on the floor if there's no overhead bin space, or just stuff it above your carry-on suitcase in the overhead bins. It protects it, and you don't have to worry about folding it perfectly inside the little packable bag that most of them come with. This one does not come with a bag. I am going to have this jacket along with all of the codes and the special deals going on Lily Silk's website for you below. If you have not bought airline tickets yet, remember to buy direct flight so that you do not have to worry about weather in that connecting state or city. And I try to book the earliest flight of each day because you have more opportunities to get on another flight if yours is canceled because of weather. If you do need a video about shoes that are good for traveling in the winter or on cobblestone roads specifically or uneven pavement, be sure to watch that video when you have time too. All right, thanks for your time. Say hey if we haven't met yet.